We've launched a new account status page in the YouTube Studio mobile app for all creators globally. Account status provides an at-a-glance view of your channel's health, like copyright alerts, community guideline strikes, and monetization eligibility into one hub. You'll see clear indicators for any issues that need your attention, along with actionable steps to help you resolve them quickly and keep your channel in good standing. To get started, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the Studio mobile app and select Account Status. We've rolled out live countdown stickers. Countdowns are a fun way to get your viewers hyped for a specific moment in your live or to build anticipation for a special reveal. To add one, tap the stickers icon, then select Countdown. Tap to choose a color and start typing to add a title. Next, tap the sticker to set how long you want the countdown to last. Once you're done, you'll see how the countdown sticker will look on your live stream before you add it. You can tap and drag to reposition it or pinch to resize until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're ready, tap to start the countdown. Your imagination takes center stage with our latest update to Shorts Remix. To get started, tap the remix icon, then select Reimagine. Type your idea, or if you're stuck and need a starting point, swipe to select a suggestion. You can also type to add reference photos alongside your prompt. You'll then see a preview of your idea come to life. Tap Edit or Next to finish up your short. Once your short is published, it'll show a link that takes viewers back to the original short you remixed. We can't wait to see how you use these new creative tools to bring your unique perspective and wildest ideas to life. We're introducing Unique Reach, a metric that estimates the total unique people who saw your video or channel. For example, you might see 10 million unique people compared to 8 million views. This metric helps you estimate your total audience size, especially when pitching brand deals, and aligns your performance data with TV industry standards. You can find Unique Reach by heading into YouTube Studio Analytics and then Advanced Mode. We've added Conversation History in Ask Studio, now available to creators globally. Conversation History allows you to easily revisit and manage your past prompts. This lets you pick up where you left off and quickly reference previous community insights or analytics summaries unique to your channel. To get started, tap the menu icon within Ask Studio to view a list of your past conversations sorted by recency. We're expanding gifts and jewels to even more countries, including Brazil, Mexico, the Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Hong Kong, and 16 additional countries across Latin America. Gifts are a fun and interactive way for your viewers to express appreciation and react in real time during your live streams. Viewers purchase digital items called jewels to unlock these gifts, and you'll earn rubies based on the number of jewels redeemed on your content. To get started, head to the Earn Hub in YouTube Studio to accept the Virtual Items module and turn on gifts for your next stream. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.